In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift games on Steam. We'll walk through the entire process so you can send a game to a friend with confidence, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and logging in. From the top of the window, go to the Store tab. Use the search bar to look up the game you want to gift. On the store page, take a moment to confirm you've got the right edition, since some games have multiple versions or bundles. It's also a good idea to check if the recipient already owns the title. Steam will warn you later, but it helps to know upfront. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Next, open your cart from the top right corner of the Steam window. Under the game in your cart, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select This is a gift. This tells Steam you're buying it for someone else rather than adding it to your own library. Click Continue to Gift Options. Then choose Select Gift Recipient. Steam will show your friends list. Pick the friend you want to receive the game. If their name is grayed out, they may already own it or the game may not be eligible for them due to regional restrictions. If you don't see the person you want to gift to, add them as a friend first so they appear here. You'll now have the option to personalize your gift. Add a friendly message or a note, and choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date. Scheduling is handy for birthdays, holidays, or timing your gift to arrive when you know your friend will be online. The recipient will get a notification in Steam and typically an email as well. Proceed to payment and choose how you want to pay: Steam Wallet funds, a credit or debit card, or PayPal. If you're using Steam Wallet, make sure you have enough balance. You can add funds if needed. Before finalizing, review the order summary carefully. Double-check the game title, the recipient's account, your delivery timing, and the total price including any taxes. When everything looks correct, confirm your purchase. Steam will process the order and show a confirmation screen. Your friend can accept the gift to add it to their library. If for any reason they decline, Steam will automatically refund the purchase back to your original payment method or your wallet balance, depending on what you used. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.